Are you over 60 and looking for affordable ways to maintain muscle mass? We've got you covered. This video reveals 5 inexpensive protein sources that are often even better than eggs for muscle building. Maintaining muscle is crucial as we age, especially past 60. Protein is the building block for muscle and essential for strength, mobility, and overall health. While eggs are great, relying solely on them can get expensive. Finding diverse, cheap protein alternatives ensures you meet your needs without breaking the bank. These 5 options are not only budget-friendly, but also offer unique nutritional benefits that complement a healthy diet for seniors. Our first protein powerhouse is beans and lentils. They are incredibly versatile and easy to find in bulk, making them extremely cost-effective. Beans and lentils deliver a powerful punch of protein and are loaded with fiber, aiding in digestion and gut health, all while keeping costs very low. You can incorporate them into soups, salads, stews, or even make delicious veggie burgers. They absorb flavors well, making meal prep exciting. Next up is canned fish, such as tuna or sardines. Don't underestimate this convenient, inexpensive option. Canned fish is an excellent source of lean protein and crucial omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. It's quick, requires no cooking, and is shelf-stable, making it perfect for last-minute meals or emergency snacks. Our third budget-friendly muscle builder is low-fat cottage cheese. It's a dairy powerhouse. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein perfect for consuming before bed to aid muscle repair overnight. Beyond protein, it's a great source of calcium, vital for maintaining strong bones in seniors. For plant-based options, look no further than tofu and edamame. These soy products are widely available and very affordable. Tofu and edamame are complete proteins, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle synthesis. They are naturally low in saturated fat, supporting heart health while providing excellent muscle-building fuel. Finally, we have peanut butter and powdered nuts. These are not just tasty, they are nutritional heavy hitters. Peanut butter is calorie and protein dense, making it a fantastic affordable snack that provides sustained energy. It's super easy to incorporate into your diet, whether spread on whole grain toast or blended into a recovery smoothie. Prioritizing protein doesn't have to strain your wallet. These 5 options provide high-quality nutrition for muscle maintenance and overall well-being. Remember the 5: beans and lentils, canned fish, cottage cheese, tofu and edamame, and peanut butter. Start incorporating these cost-effective proteins into your meals today to stay strong, healthy, and energized.